what's up? We're back again with another video. Now, though, you all must have guessed that today's video is sort of like a get ready with me for my date, and Valentine's is here, so that might also help you serve some looks. I mean, why not? And just when I thought of getting ready, Purple sent me these huge boxes. I mean, oh my god. I mean, this is like the perfect time to go crazy with your makeup looks. You know why? Because I heard beauty sale is happening from 8th to 12th February on purple.com, where they're having up to 50% off. Also, free delivery on your first order and 2 days no question asked return policy. I mean, और क्या चाहिए? And not to forget, I'm also excited to show you my dress towards the end. So hold on for that and let's get started. Okay guys, so your Ubla Anda is back. बाल ऊपर बन चुके हैं. Things are about to get serious here. So let's start with our base. So I'm gonna start with primer first, of course. So I'm using Purple's True Jewel 24K Gold Primer. Now if you will look closely ना, मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत interesting लगी. So it has little gold dust inside it, which I've heard is really good for your skin, and even for people like me who have like a very highly sensitive skin type. पता नहीं मुझे भगवान ने ऐसी skin क्यों दी है, but anyway let's ignore that. So I'm just gonna take like a tiny drop, I guess that's it, and let me just massage it thoda sa and apply it mostly on my nose and on my cheek area, because यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा large pores हैं and I just want to even all of that out. Now primers, I like earlier I just used to skip that part because मुझे लगता था क्या ज़रूरत है, but this is like a very essential part when you start doing your makeup, because that sort of, you know, helps makeup to not go into your pores and skin. And also primer is anyway good to, you know, even out the texture of your skin. बहुत ही smooth base देता है when you put more things on your face. And yeah, it also sort of, you know, moisturizes your face, because I don't know, even if I have like a highly oily skin, it still gets dried up. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता अपना skin का, so primer sort of helps me control that as well. It's weird, I know, but ignore that. So I gave this primer few minutes to set itself on my face, and to be very honest, it feels so lightweight and बार-बार ऐसे मन कर रहा है हाथ लगाने का face पे, but we won't do that. We'll stop it. We'll control that, Sonia. And they also send me there another primer from NY Bay. This one is for brightening and again is very good for, you know, even out the texture and blemish out the pores, and for brightening of course. And the best part is कि NY Bay products पे they're having buy 2 get 1 free, which is like amazing. Alright, so moving on to base, I'm using this concealer palette from Purple. It's their Offshore Agent 2. They have like many concealer palette options, but I'm using this one today, and I'm going to be using this shade right over here, which I think will work perfectly because I have few, you know, dark circles and acne spots, so उनको cover करने में help करेगा. So let me quickly dab my concealer brush here and start concealing my, get what I mean, away. Ooh, this blends like a dream. Nice, good job. And I just dabbed like a single, like बहुत ही हल्का सा लिया, and wow, nice coverage. Let me do it here also. I'm loving the pigmentation and the coverage. Like, oh, this gives me such light vibes. It does not look cakey at all. मैं उठ गई हूँ आज की नींद से. अभी और उठना है, रुक जाओ अभी पूरा जाग के दिखाएंगे. Blend. This is the game we play the whole day. I'm liking the fact that my redness has gone. Like, और क्या चाहिए? And anyway, I guess this is like a really nice product because it has like other things going on as well. I guess for contouring and everything. I mean, this is just great. And the best thing is कि they are having like 30% off on Purple products. मैं तो बस भाग रही हूँ अभी. This is done. It looks so nice. It looks nice, like a nice smooth base it's giving me. अच्छा ऐसे smooth texture नहीं हो गया ऐसे smooth वाला filter लग गया. It looks so nice. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna set everything with this Bake and Set banana powder from Purple itself. This is like such a nice packaging. Matlab, it's very cute. So let me just open it and quickly dab this product all over my face. You know what? Like ऐसे मैंने starting में बोला ना, I have oily skin, so I don't like that extra shine. जो it just looks so weird. I don't like that. So I'm always up for, you know, setting my face with loose powder or compact powder, because that sort of helps keep my makeup in place and कहीं भी नहीं जाता है पूरे दिन, and you know, I don't have to do any touch-ups or anything over again. But that cannot hide the fact that I don't love highlighters. I mean, सबको highlighters पसंद है. I love highlighters so much. I can put it on my whole face. Trust me, it just looks so amazing, and automatically you get turned into a glowy baby. Who does not love that? I love that so much. Okay, so I have this Too Much Dual Highlighter Tempting Much 3 from Purple. Now the best part is it has like dual shades. One is this from here, left hand side, and another one here. There's like a nice rose quartz wala shade is going on, and this is like a metallic bronzer sort of thing. So I'm gonna use this one because it's Valentine's, so thoda rosy अच्छा लगेगा. So I'm just gonna quickly here. Wow, इसे थोड़ा blend करना है guys. Wow, such a nice subtle glow, not too much. जैसे powdery वाले होते हैं ना, I don't like that. So ये creamy stick वाले are like the best because it just looks very natural on your face. I'm gonna use it here, 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 and here, and here of course. Wow. Ruko, let me just quickly blend it with my finger only. Woohoo! Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. This is so nice. Sometimes I feel like even when you're running late to go somewhere, just put on some highlighter, just do your eyes a little bit and you're done. It just makes you feel so fresh and glowy. Look at it. It's so natural. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna do my eyes. So I got this Stay Quirky eyeshadow palette. I mean, look at the packaging. It's so quirky. See what I did there? Okay, so I just want to do something subtle but also something that goes with my dress. Abhi pata chalega, ruk jao. And also with the same eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna do my eyebrows also because that's what I always do. Okay, so first let me just do the base with like a lighter brown shade. Very nice. Oh, this is... I'm loving it. Has a little bit of sheen going on, so I don't have to, you know, add glitter baad mein on top of it. So that's like a plus point for you to get ready for, you know, these kind of occasions या party या ऐसे events के लिए. That's nice. Let me do my crease, you know, like this. It's super lightweight. With just like one dip, it's giving me such nice colors. Love the pigmentation, man. Like usually क्या होता है whenever, like I'm always afraid to try new eyeshadow palettes because you have no idea कि कितना brush hardly उसमें, you know, you have to take out the color. But I'm glad this is like very easy to use and so compact and like nice colors, perfect for everyday use. Nice. It also has this golden color. I'm gonna use it here. I'm just so excited and I'm so happy. ऐसा नहीं होता कि मम्मी के products घर पे use कर रहे हैं when your mom is not home and you are going crazy. मैं बहुत करती थी ऐसे when I was a kid. अभी भी कभी. I'm gonna take little bit of red, just like a tiny bit. बहुत ही wow. To create like a nice soft rosy thing on my eyes. Like not too much. And I'm doing my eyes with like a very light hand. Wow, I've turned into a pro now. पहले ना मैं बिल्कुल ऐसे करती थी. Like if you'll watch my previous videos, like पुरानी वाली makeup videos ना, oh my god. Wow. I'm impressing myself day by day, to be very honest. Love how it has turned out. Okay, let me quickly do my eyebrows. ये कौन भूलता है guys? तुम्हारी बॉडी का पार्ट है ये. So weird. Let me just quickly just fill in my eyebrows. I'm just gonna use like this darker brown shade. That's it. Because अगर मैंने black use किया ना, it's gonna look way too fake and वो बहुत weird लगता है. And everyone sort of like knows कि हाँ कुछ गलत हो रहा है वहाँ पे तुम्हारे eyebrow area में. So I don't want that. So I'm just gonna roughly fill in my brows ताकि वो fake भी ना लगे. And let me do a little bit of here also. ताकि ऐसे opened up eyes लगे and the whole thing goes with everything. This looks so nice. Wow. बहुत nicely and gently and we're done. I'm just loving the fact this is like so compact and इसमें सारे मेरे like basic everyday वाले colors and थोड़े pop वाले colors भी है. So I'm तो gonna keep it in my bag. अभी मैं बस इसे रख रही हूँ. And they're having like flat 30% off on Stay Quirky product, which is like so cool. I'm loving it so much. Alright, so next I'm gonna be doing my blush. I love blushes so much. मतलब अब तक तो ये सबको बात पता चल चुकी होगी. I love blushes like a lot, and this is Stay Quirky's Cheeky Girls blush in shade Coral Chic 5. This is like a nice warm pink color. सुन के ही दिल को ऐसे शांति. I'm crazy about blushes. You guys have no idea. So let me just put it all over my face. Ha 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 ha. Evil Sonia. I love blushes also for the fact that even if you haven't applied any makeup now, and even if you just do your blush, so it just automatically gives you like a nice dimension to your face even without doing contour and everything. I'm not a big fan of contouring, so I'm not gonna do that. I love more of like a natural sort of looks and glowy, of course, like healthy glow going on with nice smooth finish sort of makeup. So that's my vibe. Nothing more, nothing less. And I guess this is it. Little bit on the nose, like a nice thing ताकि ऐसा ना लगे कि ये cheeks पे क्या हो रहा है, किसी ने ऐसे मार, ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए guys. So थोड़ा सा हर जगह ताकि ऐसा लगे कि skin tone ही थोड़ा से pink है. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a lipstick. This is again from NY Bay in shade Peppy Pearson 1. Nice name. Love it. It's like a nice brown color. I don't know what the pigmentation वो भी मैं लगा के पता चलेगा कि it's like a bold thing or like soft nude sort of thing. So let's try it. Smells amazing. मुझे दूर से ही बहुत अच्छी fragrance आ रही है. That's nice. Let me allow. Sonia, stop talking. Like a very smooth. Sonia, stop talking. It's like in just a single stroke, it's giving me such nice application. I mean, choice is all yours. Like तुम इसे हल्का लगा के you can create a nude look, and or maybe you can do like few layers and then create a soft bold look. It's like so nice. बाल खोलने का मन कर ही गया guys finally. मुझे अच्छी फीलिंग अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे थोड़ा slowly वहाँ जा रहे हैं हम उस लेवल पे पहुँच पा रहे हैं. Alright, so next are nails because those are important too. So I received many nail paint options from Purple and these ones are from the brand Asfa Halal. And मुझे ना ये वाला like dark brown shade बहुत अच्छा लगा तो मैंने इसे पहले से ही लगा रखा है. It's in shade brown chestnut 014. Just love it so much. And अभी मुझे लग रहा है कि I can also play around with this nude color. It's their Light Hail 025. I can probably just apply it on like one finger and create my own sort of nail art thing. I'm gonna do it right now. And these colors are so pretty for summers, spring season. These are so pretty. I just can't wait to try these on. But for now, since it's like a nice occasion, Valentine's or event and party wala scene, so I guess dark shades are nice and these are how it looks like. मैंने इसे like 2-3 दिन से अभी लगाया हुआ है and I just love it. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है इन्हें. Like these haven't chipped at all. Love the shine and everything. Let me quickly do something with this. I'm too excited. I have to take a little bit more. कुछ ज़्यादा ही more हो गया सोनिया. I have no self-control. ये बात तो पक्की हो चुकी है. ऐसा लग रहा है वीडियो में इट्स डिफिकल्ट, घर पे तो आई डू इट सो नाइसली. Just saying. So guys, these are done, looking pretty and subtle at the same time, loving it. Now let me just quickly do my eyeliner and eyelashes so that I can finally show you my dress. Yay! And guys, I am ready with my dress. This is like not too tight fitted and not too loose. Somewhere like a shift dress sort of situation happening, which is like perfectly fine. ताकि मैं पूरे दिन comfortable रहूँ and मैं खा भी पाऊँ अपनी date पे, ऐसे मुझे भूखा ना रहना पड़े. Anyway, and I'm also liking my makeup. It's like not too bold and not too loud. Perfect for even, you know, like अगर तुम दिन पे date पे जा रहे हो. But dress I know is a little bit blingy and sequin, but it's okay. This is like me experimenting with my style and going all out and not caring about the world. अभी वो वाला phase चल रहा है, so I'm okay with that. And also don't forget to check out Purple's website because they're having like crazy discounts going on because of their I Heart Beauty sale, which is happening from 8th to 12th this February, and they're having crazy discounts on different brands, even which I've showed you, like from Purple, Stay Quirky, NY Bay, and so many more. And I have linked every single thing in description box down for you guys to check out. So do check out. Like actually मैं तुम्हें कह रही हूँ कि do check out. So that might also help you create your own wish list for Valentine's or for any other occasion. I mean, you will never know. And yeah, I guess that is it. And guys, don't worry if you don't have any Valentine. I mean, this time you can still deck up and be your own Valentine's. I mean, why not? There's no harm in that. And with that being said, this is it for today. How was it? Let me know. How did you like the look? I'm liking it so much. But it's like a very nice and subtle and glowy look. I'm all up for these kind of looks always. Okay. So now, Shant, relax. And yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. And happy Valentine's Day, advance. Hope you find the love of your life. Bye.